Welcome back everyone. Today we are going to learn a new concept, that is shoot the bird of 8. Now you must be thinking, what is this concept about? But let me tell you, it is very interesting technique, and the best part is there are no formulas to learn, nor you have to remember any friends. You must be thinking, what does shoot the bird means? It's simply unique and a memorable name given to this technique to help students remember it easily. Let's get started. First one, 6 plus 8. I place 6 on abacus. Now I need to add 8. How will I add 8? Now the formula for plus 8 is, for plus 8, the formula we have learned, big friend addition, that is plus 10 less 2. Am I correct? So for plus 10, first I place 6. Now plus 10 is plus 10. Now less 2, how will I do it? For less 2 over here, I have to use small friend subtraction formula. That is less 5 plus 3. So for less 2, I am using another formula, that is small friend subtraction. Say less 5 plus 3. For one sum, I have to use two different formulas, that is big friend addition and small friend subtraction. So this becomes very confusing, especially for the beginners. That's exactly why we are learning shoot the bird concept. In today's lesson, I'll explain you why, when and how to use this technique step by step. So stay tuned till the end. Now, shoot the bird. What is the formula for shoot the bird? If I want to plus 8, I don't have to remember any friends. So for plus 8 in shoot the bird, how do we do it? We say 10 up, then 5 up and 3 up. I'll explain you what does this arrow up means. Okay. Now as we know, when I say up for the lower beats, it means addition. Correct? For the lower beats especially, up means addition. But for the 5, for the upper beats, the heaven beats, up means subtraction. In other words, I can also say the beats touching the value bar, that is coming close to the value bar, that is the lower beat or the upper beat. It is addition. And the beats that goes away from value bar, it means subtraction. So when I say 10 up, so 10 up is addition. Over here I am using big friend addition. Okay. And for 5 up means I'm using subtraction, that is the small friend subtraction. Now 5 plus 3 is 8. Okay, since we are doing shoot the bird of 8, so 5 plus 3 is 8. In the previous lesson we learned 10 up, 5 up, 2 up. It was for the shoot the bird of 7. So for 8 it is 10 up, 5 up and 3 up. That is for plus 8. Okay, let us try again. 6. Now plus 8. How will I do plus 8? With shoot the bird technique, that is 10 up. So this is big friend addition. Now 5 up. That is small friend subtraction. And 3 up. 3 up. So indirectly we have used both the formulas without remembering any friends. Isn't it simple and easy? Yes. Now let's try the next question. 16 plus 8 plus 8. Let us try this. Let me place the number first. 16. Now plus 8. What will I do here? Now we have also learned big friend addition of 8. And we also know shoot the bird now. So which technique are we going to follow here? How will we decide? Okay. Now let us have a look here. Can I do direct addition? No, I can only add 3. I cannot add 8 directly. Okay. Now for big friend addition. So big friend addition is plus 10 less 2. I can do plus 10, but can I do less 2? No, I cannot do less 2 directly. So I cannot use big friend addition either. Now let me try shoot the bird technique. So for shoot the bird it is 10 up, 5 up, 3 up. So my answer is 24. Correct? But is my question over? No. I still need to add plus 8. Now for plus 8 again, what will I do? So for this 8, what will I do here? I will use big friend addition formula. That is plus 10 less 2. My answer is 32. Now since we have learned both the concept, big friend addition and shoot the bird, so how and when to decide which technique or formula are we using? Okay, for this you have to understand 3 conditions, and those are the 3 conditions for shoot the bird. First is direct addition. You have to go for direct addition. If direct addition is not possible, then you have to go for big friend addition formula. If big friend addition is also not possible, then you have to go for shoot the bird concept. That's how you're going with the order. First we go for direct addition, then big friend addition, and then shoot the bird concept. And always remember, for shoot the bird, you are not remembering any formulas, nor you have to remember any friends. And most important, shoot the bird technique is used for addition. When we say shoot the bird, you always relate it to addition. You can use shoot the bird only when the 5 bead is down, when it is touching the value bar. If it is away from the value bar, then you can go for direct addition or big friend addition. You cannot use shoot the bird concept. So always check the bead before you decide which method to use. Now let us practice a few more questions where it is easier for us to decide whether we have to use direct addition, big friend addition or shoot the bird concept. So let's get started. 10 plus 5 plus 8. 10 plus 5, direct addition. Now plus 8, how will I do? Can I do direct addition of 8? No. Can I do big friend addition of 8? No. So I will use shoot the bird method. That is 10 up, 5 up, 3 up. So 10 up, 5 up, 3 up. My answer is 23. 28 less 2 plus 8. 28. Less 2 is less 2, direct subtraction. Now plus 8, how will I do this? Direct addition I cannot do. Big friend addition also I cannot use. So I have to use shoot the bird technique. That is 10 up, 5 up, 3 up. That my answer is 34. Next, 35 plus 8 plus 2. 35. Now plus 8. How will I do plus 8? Am I correct? No? Did I miss something? Yes, I forgot to 10 up. I did not do 10 up. I just did 5 and 3. Now this is a very common mistake students usually make. They either do 10 up or they miss it. Okay, so you have to remember this step very clearly. It says 10 up, 5 up, 3 up. You have to keep repeating this in your mind. The more you repeat, it's easier way to remember. Let us start again. 35 plus 8 plus 2. 35 plus 8 is 10 up, 5 up, 3 up. Now plus 2. How will I do plus 2 over here? I can only do plus 1. So the formula is small friend addition formula. That is plus 2 is plus 5 less 3. My answer is 45. Next one, 55 plus 8 plus 8. 55. Now plus 8. How would I do this? Direct addition, I cannot do it. Big friend addition also, I cannot use. So I have to use shoot the bird technique. That is 10 up, 5 up, 3 up. Now again plus 8. How will I do? Direct addition, I cannot do. Can I do big friend addition? Yes. So what is the formula for plus 8? Plus 10 less 2. My answer is 71. Next one. 55 less 3 plus 8. 55. Now less 3. How will I do less 3? The formula for less 3 is less 5 plus 2. Now plus 8. How will I do plus 8? Direct addition I cannot use. I only have 7 here. I don't have 8. Big friend? Yes, I can use big friend. Do you think I can use shoot the bird? No. Why? Because the 5 beat is up. It's already up. So we cannot use shoot the bird. It has to be down. So shoot the bird technique is not possible. So I have to use big friend addition. That is plus 10 less 2. My answer is 60. Okay, 68 less 3 plus 8. 68 less 3. Now plus 8. Is it correct? My answer is 53. Am I correct? No? Why? What is wrong here? Yes. Instead of up, 10 up, I did down. That's the reason. It is wrong. 10 down is also another concept that we will learn in the later lessons. Okay? Always remember it is up. Shoot the bird, it goes up. So 68 less 3 plus 8, that is 10 up, 5 up, 3 up. So my answer is 73. Next one. 36 plus 8 less 4. 36 plus 8. Over here plus 8 is 10 up, 5 up, 3 up. Okay. And less 4. That is direct subtraction. So my answer is 40. Next. 27 plus 7 plus 8. 27. Now plus 7. How will I do plus 7 here? How will I do plus 7? The formula for plus 7 is plus 10 less 3. I don't have less 3 here. So how will I do this? Do you remember we have learned this formula in the previous lesson? Shoot the bird of 7. Yes. That is for plus 7. Shoot the bird is 10 up, 5 up and 2 up. Correct? Yes. If you have missed watching my previous lessons, you can check the link in my description box. Now plus 8. How will I do plus 8? Direct addition? Not possible. Big friend addition? Yes, I can do big friend addition. So the formula is plus 10 less 2. My answer is 42. Next one. 76 plus 9 plus 8. 76 plus 9. The formula for plus 9 is plus 10 less 1. Now plus 8. How will I use plus 8? Direct addition? Not possible. Big friend addition? Also not possible. So I have to use shoot the bird concept. That is 10 up, 5 up, 3 up. Did you notice how smoothly we are using both the formulas, big friend addition and small friend subtraction, without remembering any friends? So my answer is 93. Last one. 20 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. 20. Now plus 8 over here is first, yes, I will go for direct addition. Now again plus 8. How will I do plus 8 here? I have to use big friend addition formula. That is plus 10 less 2. Now again plus 8. How will I do this? I have to use shoot the bird technique. So 10 up, 5 up, 3 up. My answer is 44. Well, that's it. You have just learned one of the easiest technique in the abacus, addition. Remember, abacus is not about memorizing dozens of formulas. It is about understanding patterns and training your brain to think faster. The more you practice, more confident, accurate and faster you will become. If you enjoyed today's lesson and learned something new, please like this video, leave your questions in the comments. I'll reply to you as many as I can. Share this video with your friends and family who wants to learn Abacus. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our upcoming lessons. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next lesson. Until then, keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep mastering the technique of Abacus with Fatema.